Welcome to Vintage Car News. Good to see you guys. Before that we even started, just make sure that you hit the button subscribe to get your latest vintage car every week. All right, what we having now? We have a nice, beautiful racing Maserati. Wow, I never saw. Oh, this is a Maserati racing. I never seen this kind of car before. This is my first time and pretty cool. And this is another Maserati also. I'm not sure about the model on this car because they didn't show the model where I was. And but this is definitely a nice Maserati. Green Army. Wow. The front fender is pretty huge. Even the bumper is pretty wild. Wow. This car, it's also Aston Martin. It's not a Maserati. Next to it, was it? Light blue. I like the chrome grills. I like the wheels. Pretty cool. Nice mirror. Pretty sparkling and shiny. I'm not crazy with the back, the way how the car laying down. But it's okay. It's part of the body of the car, so can't complain too much about it. But it's pretty nice. What we having now? Oh, you would never guess if I didn't tell you this car was a Ferrari. 1966 Bucket Touring 1949. That's a old Ferrari. 1948 up to 1953. Wow, Ferrari has been in the game for a minute because honestly you don't see those cars too much in the city. And actually never, because this is really old Ferrari. This is like probably one of the first second generation of Ferrari. Light blue, number 42. Nice color paint. Wow, look at the interior. Pretty small. Don't look too comfortable, but back in the days, people didn't really care about being comfortable. But this car is amazing for Ferrari. I would never thought that they would design such a cute little car like that. I never saw this in the streets, only in the museum. So that's an exclusive that you're getting right there. Wow, there's only two of them. It's not too many of them. Believe it or not, not too many was produced on those cars. I could say only 47 has been made. That's a large number. 47 vehicles been made. This, it's a Corvette Stingray. It's a concept, yellow on yellow. Look how nice. I like this Corvette. I really love it. I don't know what you guys think, but it's a two-door roadster Corvette. Wow. This is definitely one of the classic car. V8 4.6 liter. It's definitely a racing sports car. Definitely 24 hours of Le Mans. Wow. Chevrolet race. Wow. Now this car weight is 998 kilos on this beautiful Corvette. Wow, it's very nice. I really love it. Whoever owned this car is lucky because it's not for sale. It's not too many of them. 4-speed manual. Wow. Oh, nice fender also. Why they put so many stickers by the windshield? But if you like it, give 2 thumbs up and see you for more videos. Take care.